Hey guys, this is Lynn from Pepper Peas. So I have a DeSTASH box for you. Specifically, it's a Holiday DeSTASH box. It is $75. Now all of us who are doing DeSTASH boxes on this fabulous, wonderful YouTubeism, you know we keep telling everybody about the postage. So you know when I do DeSTASH boxes, I build the postage into the package. But I have to be candid with you. This package is in plethora, and because you are a wonderful YouTube subscriber and someone that comes back and watches my channel, I am doing a little bit extra too, okay? Now, there's several things in this box. Oh my gosh, and it's heavy. So right off the bat, I am including a Colorbok 12 by 12 fabric album. One of the reasons I am including this, it's an album first. And the person that purchases this gets 10 sheet protectors in here as well. We're crafters. You can use it as a family album, or you can destruct it and do something else with it, but it's fabric, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and say it. I am also including a Vicki Boutin Evergreen Holly album set. In this particular album set, all of these wonderful things are included. It has 12 page protectors. It has 8 double-sided pages. It's fabulous. It is just really wonderful, to be honest with you. It is really, really nice, okay? It's included. I am including the Vicki Boutin Evergreen Holly card set. Now, you all know you can use these as cards. You can turn them into notebooks. You can do whatever you like with them, but I'm including them, right? I say right a lot too. I am including the red burlap yard. It says fine weave burlap, brown to me, okay? And I am including the black burlap. All of these are yard, okay? I have to move these, I don't have a choice. I am including a sheet of glitter, 12 by 24 adhesive. I'm including one of these. I am including the Cricut insert cards. These are beautiful. Now, I'm going to say this as I always do. You don't necessarily have to own a Cricut to use these. And most of us that do own a Cricut or something else, we use them in some other way. You can do cutouts, punch out. You can do whatever you want to do with them. But just because Cricut sells them doesn't mean you just can't do anything else with them. They're gorgeous. Use them. I am going to include Vicki Boutin Evergreen Holly paper pad. It is double-sided. It is gorgeous. It is festive. It's amazing. And there are 48 sheets. I am going to include DCWV die-cut shapes. I know a lot of times when I do my paper DeStashes, you all probably say, she got a lot of those. These are brand new paper pads, never opened, never used. You're the first one, whomever purchased it. Here is my absolute favorite for this box. Now I realize Halloween has passed, but this pack includes materials for fall, harvest, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It includes it. Now this is a little thick for me here, but Did you see that? That is so pretty. And it's hard to hold these things open too because they're so heavy. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. It's just pretty. Okay. But you're gonna get enough to do. The glitter is just stunning. But you're getting it. It's going to include Colorbok Holidays 12 by 12 designer paper. It will include the adventure paper pad. Now, this may look a little deceiving, but I promise you, it can be used in multiple ways. Did you see that? Did you see this? Okay. It can be used in multiple ways. Multiple ways to fit the holiday theme. That's why I'm including it. I am including Key & Company specialty paper, 24 sheets. These are a mixture of die cuts and beautiful gold foil embellished papers, specialty papers that can be used in your holiday crafting. These even look like little snowflakes. They're cute to me. I mean, really, everything in here is cute to me. So, I am including 2 Vicki Boutin Warm Wishes vellum sheets. The things are stunning. We're crafters. We know it. You know, they probably have commercialized printers to do this, but it's not probably. They do, but the things are stunning. 2 of these. Not finished. There's going to be Colorbok Primary paper pad. There are 50 sheets. It's 66.5 pounds. I just say 67. And because I'm including this pad to marry all of these other wonderful colors that are usually in alignment with the holidays, is why I did not pull out Red Promenade. I'm not finished yet though. Really, I'm not. I am including Bo Bonnie's Joyful Christmas paper pad. This is the cutest thing. It really is. Look at that. It is the cutest thing. It is extremely cute. In addition, I'm going to include, and these are, I really love these. I'm going to include a pack of Jolie stickers. These are so pretty. Whomever gets this pad when whoever gets this pack with this pad, these pads in it, you will see just how beautiful these things are up close. They are stunning. They really are. And I'm also including Bo Bunny stamps. These are pretty. These are the holiday. This is cute. Oh, by the way, I got one more thing I'm going to include. Also, whomever purchases this wonderful DeSTASH box is going to receive a mini size of 4 different color distress inks that coordinate with this wonderful package, Tim Holtz. So, if you are interested in purchasing this particular DeSTASH box, the link to do so is located in the description. As always, I include a DeSTASH shipping discount code that's going to remove shipping at checkout. Once again, this lovely box is $75. The contents are the contents. I hope that whomever purchases this enjoys. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in to Paper Peace. Be safe and take care.